At this point, you should now be working with an agent that you've interviewed and is going to help you find the right home for you based on your wants and needs. Your agent is going to be able to connect you with the right lender for your situation and help you get that pre-approval letter. They will also be able to help explain what kind of down payment you're going to need, what closing costs might be as well, and start to understand what your interest rate and monthly payment are going to be. By now, you should have had the conversation with your agent discussing the difference between a client and a customer of your brokerage. Really where you want to lean here is the client. What you're going to get from your agent here is strategy, advice, and how to actually proceed through your contract, your accepted offer, knowing that they've been through that process several times before. Versus a customer, really at that point, your agent is just facilitating the transaction and is trying to just get the transaction to close. A little bit less benefits to you as the buyer. You've found your agent, you're a client, you've gotten your pre-approval, and now you're about to start your search. Now it's time to sit down for the true full-blown buyer consultation to really determine what are your needs and wants.